How to remove a nickname on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove a nickname on Facebook. Now if you recently added a nickname, or if you have added a nickname on your Facebook account and now you don't have absolutely no idea on how you can remove it, then let me guide you. First, you want to open up your Facebook application and make sure you're logged into your account. You can see I'm logged in. What you want to do is you want to head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Now here I'll just head into my profile. Now here you can see my name, and beside it you can see my nickname as well, MESSIAN Messian. Now if you want to remove your nickname, if you tap on it, it won't react here. As you can see, there is no any option popping up. What you want to do is you want to tap on edit profile option on your profile, and once you tap on it here, you can see you want to scroll down all the way down below, and below links you can see edit your about info option at the very bottom of the screen. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see your nickname here. You can see under other names my nickname here, Messia. You want to simply tap on that pencil icon or the edit icon at the right hand side of the screen beside your nickname. Once you tap on it, you'll get two different options. You can either edit your name or you can delete name. Simply tap on delete name and then tap on OK, and your name will be deleted. So this way you can delete your nickname or remove a nickname on Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.